Today Frank's installing the stealth patio theater. This thing is crazy, man. 181 inches, super bright, waterproof, meant for outdoors. Let's go check in with Frank, see how the install is going.
All right, here we are at the Macchione project. We're getting ready to install this massive 181-inch LED outdoor TV. This thing's gonna be sick. That's where our giant TV is going. You're gonna be able to see this thing from the highway. This thing's going in today. The bubble goes to the left, right? We got a huge soundbar that's going on the bottom, 3.1. We got built-in subwoofers right in the soundbar. This boy right here, this is the power supply. This is gonna power the whole screen. 4,000 nits. You can watch a game in broad daylight and see this thing perfect. There she is, boys, the last one. Let's fire this bad boy up. So we just got done installing this massive TV. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It is gigantic. I'm gonna run over there, go next to it, and show you exactly how big it is. Holy cow, yeah. Nice. There she is, Bruce.
Great.
There she goes. Nice. Sweet, boy.
Hey, that was a good one.
So right now I'm standing in this massive grotto. Can't show you the whole pool yet. Even from right here, you can see how massive this screen is. He's gigantic. Look at how big his nose. Hi, Lucas.
Man, Frankie's always picking on me. Now he's picking on my nose. What the heck, Frank? I've known Frank for a long time. We just had an epic Memorial Day party at his house. Oh, my long lost brother! I love America! So much fun. I'm so glad I helped him build that crazy lagoon. I know his wife Heather wanted something a little bit smaller. Sorry, Heather, but you gotta admit, it makes one heck of a party pool. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and make sure to hit the like button because we're uploading weekly videos to keep you in the loop, and we're gonna start coming out with our full-length, self-produced full episode, so you don't want to miss that. So hit the like buttons and keep watching the craziness as it all unfolds. Time to build a guitar pool, one real crazy with grottos, not one like at the Hard Rock that's just a simple guitar, but something more like a movie star. I used to play guitar. It's been many years. I still love guitar. I love music. I love rocks. I love rock and roll. To have the opportunity to build a guitar pool, that was singing my blues. So I was like, yeah, back to the drawing board. Had to come out here for a little inspiration. Got to put down the guitar, pick up that computer. The only thing that rhymes with that is shooter, and don't want to do that. Back to the grind.